Okay, let's continue then. Let's continue then. So if you have questions, just let me know, guys. Yes? Even though I know that you know which is the process because we started this topic, and the only difference is that you have mixed numbers in these fractions, right? And the only thing that you have to do is to add the mixed numbers, and then you have to follow the same step that you did last class, right? So let's continue then, right? We have, right, addition, yes? So what happened, sorry, I don't know if you can see my board.
Yes, mister.
Yes, so what happened here? Then I have 2, 3 over 4 minus 1, 5 over 16. So I'm going to give you 3 minutes to solve this. Yes? 3 minutes.
Easy.
Try to do it. So you know that you have unlike denominators, right? The only thing that you have to do is to look for the common denominators in these fractions. Yes, and then subtract. Yes? Try to do it, and then you have to tell me the answer.
Finish.
You finish? Which is the answer you have, Gabriela?
I got 1/7/16.
Okay, let's do it. We have the same answer, so let's wait for the rest.
I finished, mister. It's the same answer, so Gabriela.
Okay, let's wait. Let's wait for the rest. Yes, let's wait.
I finished, mister.
You finish?
Yes.
So,
It's the same answer.
it's the same answer?
Yes.
Me too, mister.
Okay, good job. So, could you please share which is the answer of this one?
1/7/16.
1,
7/16.
7 over?
16.
Yes, of course. That's the answer, over 16. Yes, do you see that is easy?
Yes,
Yes,
mister.
easy, right?
Yes.
So, now, do you have questions about this subtraction?
Yeah,
No, mister.
No, right? Or Angela, do you have?
lo que yo no sé es
Please speak in English.
I don't know what the do of the 2 and the 1, but to sum and rest.
Okay, when you have whole numbers, I told you that the only thing that you have to do is if it is an addition, you have to add them. If it is a subtraction, you have to subtract them, right? So in this case, we have a subtraction, right? And then I have 2 minus 1 is equal to 1.
1.
And then you will do the same process to find the common denominators and then, yes, to subtract. Yes? So the answer is 1/7/16. Yes? Do you understand now? Do you have another
Yes,
question?
mister.
Clear? So far,
Yes.
so good? Yes? So, here I have another example. Yes? And then I need you to work in exercise 1. The first exercise we have here. There is a subtraction. Yes? That is 4, and then 4 over 6 minus 1, 1 over 6. Yes? Hurry up.
Finish.
You finish? Which is your answer?
3 over 6.
3 over 6. Yes,
Yes.
of course. And why? It is easy, right? Because you have
the same denominator.
the same denominator. Yes. So the only thing is that you have to subtract, yes, the numerators and then subtract as well the mixed number. Yes. Number 2. That is the one that is this one. Number 2, 5, 2 over 3 minus 2, 1 over 3.
Finish.
So, which is the answer?
3, 1 over 3.
3, 1 over 3. It is not necessary to write, right? Because you have it, right? In your mind. The next one, number 3, 9. Okay,
Finish.
listen. Angela,
4.
could you
Okay,
please provide the answer of number 3?
okay. There are three are the number and 6 over 5.
6 over 5. Okay, remember that here we are
Perdón.
subtracting.
2 over 5.
Yes, and the mixed number, so the complete answer will be
3. 4
yes.
over 2 and 5.
Yes, 4, 2 over 5. That's the answer. Good job, Angela. And now, Kenneth, this one, 8, 2 over 8 plus 4, 7 over 8.
Mr. That easy because have the same denominator.
Yes, they have the same denominator. That's why we have, you may do this mentally. Yes?
Yes.
So, Khaled, this one, 8, 2 over 8 plus 4, 7 over 8.
12, 3, 8.
Okay, 12. 3, why 3?
Sorry.
Mr. I can do.
Okay, Miguel.
Sorry, my internet
Mr.
No worries, Gabriel. Miguel, could you please
And-
provide the answer?
The answer is gonna be 4. 4 and 5, 8, 5 over 8.
Listen, this is a
Mister, I know.
addition, guys.
Mister, I know that
This
well.
is addition. You have to take care of this.
No.
4 over 8.
Yes, of course. That's the answer. 13, 12, sorry. And then 9
over 8.
Yes? So, easy, right? These ones are easy because they have the same denominators. Yes? So, wait, guys. Wait a minute. So, I'm gonna ask to please look for your book and let's go to page 433. 433.
I found.
I found.
433. Maria.
I
Yes,
found
mister.
What page, Mister? Mister, what page?
es 433.
Mister, we need to start to work in that page. Mister. Se fue el mister.
Está ahí.
No, o sea que no está sentado en su silla.
Okay, are you there?
Yes, mister.
Yes, so as we finish to explain this topic, so we will start. Yes, we will start solving the exercises. Yes, so I need you to please work in exercise number 3. Yes, that is the first one we have there. That is a subtraction. Yes, we have 5, 1/9 minus 2, 2/3. Yeah, I'm gonna give you 1 minute, 2 minutes to solve it. And then you have to tell me which is the answer. Leticia, Carlos, and Diego, please, your camera. You have it?
Lo pude resolver. Sí, solo tuve que presionar esto.
Yeah, Khaled, you finish?
I finished, mister.
Okay, I wanna see you working. Krista Mahiva, you finished?
After the no.
You finished, guys?
I finished, mister.
You finished? So, tell me, which is the answer of this problem?
I finished.
Which is the answer? Which answer you have? Linus, which is the answer you have?
5, 3/6.
3/6. Okay. Wait. Another, do you have the same answer? Who has the different?
Mister.
I have another answer, mister.
Mister, I have another. I have 2 9/9.
Which one?
2 9/9.
2 9/9.
Mister, I have one.
Okay, Miguel?
And 3 5/9.
No
3
está
5/9.
malo, mister.
Yes. Close.
It's
Clue.
bad because we need to subtract 1 minus 2.
Beta, I can see you.
Sorry. Sorry, mister, my camera. I put it in on, but it couldn't put me.
Okay, wait then. Miguel, do you have, which is the answer you have?
5 and 3, 5 over 9.
Yes. Okay, listen. You have the answer, right? According to what I just explained. Yes? But there is a mistake because in the subtraction, we have 2 ways to solve it, right? And I'm going to explain you how. Yes? That's why here I have my cell phone. Just pay attention to this.
Sorry, mister.
Just let's pay attention to what it says iPhone Dennis. Yeah. Listen, when you are subtracting numbers, yes? Beiran, please, Beiran, turn off your microphone. When you are subtracting numbers, so the problem that I have is 5. Yes? I don't know if you can see. Can you see here? 5.
Yes, Mr. Rican.
Listen, guys. I need you to please turn off your microphones. Yes, because when you are talking, right, then in the video, you won't be able to see why or what I am talking right now. Yes, because the camera will focus, right? You. Yes, or the people who is talking. Yes, so at least that I ask something, you have to speak. And then if not, you don't have to talk, right? So then here we have 5, yes, 1 over 9, yes, minus 2 over 3, yes? You have it like this?
Yes.
Have it like this?
Yes, mister.
Yes, so according, yes, to my knowledge or to our knowledge, right? My answer here will be 3. Yes, because 5 minus 2 is 3. Yes, but let's do the whole process. Yes, so the first thing that I have to find is the common denominator in these numbers because we have a different one. Yes, so I'm gonna look the multiple of 9 and 3. Yes, and then I write here 9, then 3, 6, and 9. Yes? So, which is the common denominator in these two numbers?
9.
9. The common denominator will be 9. Yes? So, the next step is to rename the numbers, the fractions, sorry. So, and then, how many times did I multiply 9 to get 9? How many times? 1, right? 1. Yes? Beira, Andrea, could you please turn off your microphone? Okay, and then I multiply 1 over 1. Yes, so the mixed number will be the same. Yes, so the answer will be 5. Yes, 1 over 9. Yes. So now let's rename the second fraction. And then how many times did I multiply number 3 to get 9?
3.
3 times, right? So I have to write here 5. Yes. 3 over 3, right? That the answer is? Which one is the answer? 2 times 3 is equal to? 6, right? And 3 times 3 is equal to?
9.
9. And then we have to write, right, the mixed number, right? That will be the same. So, according to what I have here, I have 5, 1 over 9 minus 2, 6 over 9. Yes? What do I have to do now, guys?
Subtract.
What do I have to do? Subtract. Are you sure? Subtract.
Yes.
Now, if I do the same that Miguel did, my answer will be 3, 5 over 9, right? But now I have a question to you. It is possible to subtract 6 to 1?
No.
No, right?
Also not.
It is impossible to subtract number 6 to 1, right? So, what do I have to do?
Tell one
This,
for number
okay,
5.
listen this. Listen. This part is a key to understand this topic, right? So, the only thing that I have to do is to rename this fraction again, right? And ustedes solo van a renombrar, ¿verdad? Cuando la fracción que tengan aquí arriba, ¿verdad? Porque la van a colocar de la misma forma. Miren, esta es la primera fracción que tengo, ¿verdad? Entonces la voy a colocar aquí. Yes, I'm gonna place it here. So, la única manera que ustedes van a hacer esto que les voy a explicar ahorita es cuando tengan la fracción primera que tengan aquí sea menor que la que tengan here. Yes? Sí, ahora, how we are going to rename this new fraction that we have here. So, as 1 is less than 6, yes? So, I'm gonna ask, right, for a unit to number, to which number?
5.
To number 5, right? So, when I ask a unit to number 5, remember that a unit, in this case, guys, as 9 is my denominator, so 9 over 9 will be the complete unit, right? So, then I write at, yes, 9 over 9. Yes, voy a escribir, ¿verdad? The whole fraction or the complete fraction. Yes, and then if I have here 9 as denominator, so it means that the complete one will be 9 over 9. Yes, and what would happen if my denominator, like for example, is just an example, 10? Which one will be the, like for example here, 7 over 10? Yes, which one will be my whole number here if I add? Yes, if I add a unit, right, will be 10 over 10, porque eso es la fracción completa, right? Do you understand this part? Yes or not?
Yes.
Later, turn off your microphone, please. Okay, so as my denominator is 9 here, I'm gonna write 9 over 9. Yes? Then this 5 has a new number now. Yes? If I add a unit, I will have 4. Yes? And then I'm gonna add, yes, 1 plus 9 is equal to? Which one? 10. And what happened with denominator? Will be the same, right? And then now it is possible, right, to subtract now, guys? It is possible?
Yes, mister.
Yes, because I have 4, 10 over 9 minus 2, 6 over 9. So, which one is the answer now? Can I subtract? Yes, right, because here I have the first fraction that is greater than the second one, right? So, 10 minus 6 is equal to?
4.
4. Yes, my denominator will be the same, that in this case is 9. Yes, and 4 minus 2 is equal to?
2.
2. Yes? And that's the answer. Yes? Do you understand? Do you have a question here? Remember that you will do this process, yes, just when you have the first fraction less than the second one.
Mister,
Yes?
but to find that, we need to sum.
Sorry?
We need to add. To find that, we need to add.
Yes, to rename again, like for example here, when you add a unit to number 5, in this case would be another number, yes, you have
Mister,
to add.
así que no importa si es resta o suma, siempre hay que sumar.
Yes, pero solo
ok.
cuando, escuchen, solo cuando tenemos el número que esta fracción es, Miguel, apague su cámara para que miren aquí, ok. Solo cuando, ¿verdad? La primera fracción que tenemos aquí es less than the other one, yes. Y como usted está pidiendo una unidad para poder restar, entonces tienen que sumar, ¿verdad? No es que se le va a restar la unidad que pidió prestada aquí. Yes? Do you understand, guys?
Yes, Mister, I understand.
So, in order to finish, right? I'm
Mister,
gonna
pero
add...
mister, tengo una pregunta.
Okay, Glennis. Speak
Mister,
in English.
pero, mister, but where you find the number 9?
Where? How?
Yes, how?
Okay, how? Because first, the first thing that we do, right, is to look for or to find the common denominators. Yes, the same process, the same process. Do you understand, guys?
Yes, Mister. Yes,
So,
Mister.
now I want to see if you understood this. I need you to solve exercise number 11 in your book, please. Number 11.
And the other one, mister?
I finished, Mister.
Kenneth, you finished? Which is the answer you got?
3, 9 over 20.
9 over 20?
3,
Yes.
3, then 9 over 20.
Mister is 3/9/20.
3/9/20.
No, Mister,
It's the same
3/9/50. 50.
Mister, I know.
9/50.
Gabriela o Ángela, Ángeles.
Let's go. Mira. Let's go.
2/13/20.
2/13/20. That's the answer, guys. That's the answer. Yes? Who has had the same answer? Who else?
Me, Mister.
Angela, which is the answer you have?
The same of Gabriela.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Could you repeat it again?
My answer are 3, 30, and 20/20.
2, 3. Are you sure that the numeric number is 3?
No, Mister, is
2.
2/13/50. Because 50 is the
2/13/20.
common denominator.
20 is the common denominator.
Yes.
No, Mister, is 50.
20.
Is 50.
20.
Bayram is 20.
Beirán,
I am doing,
How?
Mister.
Beirán, ¿cómo puede ser posible que sea 15? Dígame qué
Dije
número
sí.
multiplicado por 4 da 15.
Mister, yo no dije 15.
You say 15.
Yo no dije
Mister,
15, Mister.
Mister, él dijo 50.
Ah, 50. That's why you have to pronounce well the numbers.
I'm gonna take my horse to the Gautam route.
Miguel Ávila, which is the answer, Miguel Ávila?
No, Mister, es que lo sigo resolviendo.
Okay, hurry up.
¿Cómo que qué pasó?
Okay, remember that in this subtraction, yes,
Mister, it
the
is
only-
number 5.
the only
Or not.
in the case you have, right, the first fraction that is less than the other one, right, you will do this process. But if the first fraction it is greater than the other one, you don't have to subtract. Yes, you don't have to subtract.
25, 24.
Like for example, in number 5. In exercise number 5, yes, the only thing that I have to do is subtract after I find
Mister, the
that
common
multiple zero.
denominator is 50.
In which one,
25,
Baden?
24, 25,
Number 5.
24, 23,
Yes, it's 50, but
22,
you have to simplify this
20.
fraction at the end.
29, 18, 19.
If it is a second, third, or fifth. Yes. You finish? Miguel Ávila?
No, Mister. Espere,
I
no, sí le
finished.
entiendo eso lo de que lo estoy resolviendo todavía.
Okay, so do you have questions, guys, so far with this topic? No?
No.
Is everything clear?
Mister, I have a
Yes.
question, but it's about the number 8.
And number
I
8.
couldn't understand.
Okay, first, okay, it is the same. First, you have to solve the parentheses that you have in parentheses. And then you have to subtract with the rest of the fraction. Yes?
Okay.
Solve first the thing that you have in parentheses. And after that, you complete your exercise.
Mister, I got the answer.
Which is the answer, Miguel?
2/30/20.
13/20.
Yes, 13/20.
Yes, of course. So, guys, do you have questions? Kenneth,
No.
do you have questions? No? Is everything clear? So, we will
It's
stop
easy.
here with math. Cristian Menjivar, is everything clear? Gabriel, what is Gabriel? Gabriel Valladares, is everything clear? Yes? So, we will stop here with math.
Now it's reading time.
and then we will start with reading.
Sir,
But
We
first,
have homework.
yes, of course, you have to complete this page, and
434.
435. These 2
35.
pages. And listen, you have to send a picture to me with the answers, yes, today, because I'm gonna check if you work these exercises. Yes.
400, 433 and 435.
Yes, of course.
Mister is easy, but the process is
Yes,
un poquito largo.
yes, it is long, but
It's easy.
it's easy to do it.
Mister, how are my answers in the 2 pages?
Sorry.
How are my answers in the 2 pages of math that you said
Okay,
yesterday?
good.
Oh, okay.
Good. Okay, we will stop here, and I will let you know if we have another homework of math, right? So, but you have to complete these 2 pages. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.